can roll in quickly, and being prepared may be a little more difficult for people in Carlisle, Indiana.
Yes, as we mentioned yesterday, lightning struck and damaged their severe weather siren. News 10's Jada Huddleston explains what people hope the town will do moving forward.
Just weeks after Severe Weather Preparedness Week, the town of Carlisle is without a tornado siren. Work is underway to fix the problem, but city leaders say it won't be completed until the beginning of summer. I spoke with a local woman who says she hopes this serves as a reminder to the town to always be prepared.
They had been testing every month, like on a Tuesday or a Saturday or whatever day. Just pick a day, test every month, and do it on the same day every month. Then you wouldn't have to worry about it. You'd know if it was working or if it wasn't.
Officials found the siren wasn't working during a test during Severe Weather Preparedness Week. Before that, the system was last tested during the fall. City officials say they plan to test the system once a month once everything's back up and running. In Carlisle, Indiana, Jada Huddleston, News 10.